We want to welcome you to our beautiful southeast side Des Moines listing, 2507 East Luster. This home features 4 beds, 3 baths with beautiful craftsmanship finishes, hardwood floors, updated travertine tile. And as you can see on the exterior, got updated columns here, beautiful front porch, amazing exterior work that they've done as well to modernize this home. Let's check it out. As you enter in, you'll see this really awesome updated main floor. This main floor features updated hardwood floors, travertine tile in the kitchen and dining area, then also this really cool stone fireplace. It's really awesome and beautiful updated mantle. For a 2-story, this is really amazing how open it is for family gatherings and just hanging out. It's hard to get this with 2-story homes. As we progress into the kitchen, you'll notice travertine tile, dining area. And I really like this built-in buffet here. It's really an amazing feature to have. It has an outlet there, so if you are hosting a big party or need extra storage, you have access to this extra buffet, built-in buffet. To kind of round out the main floor, we have the refrigerator right here. Then additionally, we have a half bath right in here, which is great for guests and for hosting. We'll progress now up to the 2nd floor. The updated hardwood floors, which is really rare and amazing to have. It just really gives it an elegant feel for this home. So as we enter into the master bedroom, you'll find a walk-in closet over here. Then additionally, you'll find the updated master bathroom. We will continue on to the 3 additional guest bedrooms. We have bedroom 1 right here. Plenty of closet space. Then bedroom 2. Again, hardwood throughout the 2nd floor. Really nice closet there. Then the last guest bedroom is right here. They're all really good space for kiddos or if you have friends staying for the weekend, just really nice, elegant space for a bedroom. To round out the 2nd floor, we have a linen closet here, and we have the full family bathroom here. You also will see the travertine tile there as well. Really neat landing right here, just craftsmanship throughout. So you have a really nice, good, spacious landing here. You actually have a laundry room, which is really nice to have. It's not a laundry closet, it's a laundry room. Space for storage and folding. And then you have a nice little living room. Could be a bedroom if you want to make it into that, but really good space for an additional living area to hang out and enjoy movies and things along those lines. And then you have a nice area here, so if you want to put a kind of a stand-up bar or kitchenette, you can do that right in here for games and or just to entertain as well. Right here, this is your mechanical room. Not huge, but it gets the job done. Off the dining area is the 2-stall attached garage. It is oversized, 2-stall garage. It's really nice to have windows in here. I know it's just a really nice feature for a garage there. Thank you for doing this walkthrough. This home is really elegant. It's been really beautifully updated. This home features over 2,200 square feet, 4 beds, 3 bathrooms, fenced-in privacy backyard, and additionally just a beautiful front porch. I hope you guys enjoy it. Come check it out.